We want future generations to get on, to have every advantage, to contribute to the well-being of tomorrow's society. Learning to manage money is vital, and the sooner we begin in life, the better. We know money habits and attitudes develop from an early age, and that many young people need help with their financial independence. That's clear from our groundbreaking national survey of 5,000 children, young people and their parents. For example, only 4 in 10 16-year-olds to 17-year-olds could make sense of a payslip. Financial education in schools can make a real difference. It prepares children for the practical challenges they'll face when managing their money. That's one of the reasons why the Welsh Government is acting now, supported by research evidence from the Money Advice Service and with help from a consortium of specialists. Across Wales, every school child will benefit as managing money becomes part of a new curriculum. This is an area that has been identified as part of what matters in a child's learning.
Teachers are at the heart of the collaborative design process.
This work also includes identifying the support teachers will need to deliver managing money successfully. Managing money will cover mathematical and numeracy skills children need to be financially capable, attitudes toward money, borrowing and debt, and the consequences of getting personal finances wrong. Teachers across Wales will help children and young people develop the skills and confidence needed to become financially capable adults, helping improve the country's future. Today, 1 in 3 people in Wales have savings of less than £100, making them extremely vulnerable to financial shocks. With managing money, every child's prospects of a lifetime of economic well-being will be enhanced. This new curriculum will be taught in all schools in Wales by 2022. It's a bright, new start for young people in Wales. And now the work begins. To get school children ready for their first payslip, to prepare them for major life events, including periods of financial difficulty, and to give them the skills for their day-to-day money management needs.